Good morning. We're gonna go right into it. Let's go. Yes, let's go. We're going to finish OpenGL today. We have this. That is looking good. Now we just need to figure out how to turn this into bloom. Hope you guys are doing good. After we've obtained an HDR texture and extracted brightness texture, we will be one ping-pong frame buffers. That's what we do here. Each iteration we bind to one of the frame buffers based on whether we want to blur horizontally or vertically. Yes. By blurring brightness texture 5 times, we get a properly blurred image. Blending both textures. Okay. With the scene HDR texture and the blurred brightness texture of the scene, we only need to combine the two to achieve the infamous bloom or glow effect. In the final fragment shader, largely similar to the one we used in the HDR chapter, we additively blend both textures. So I have an idea here. I might have to do 2 calls of this. Because I think... Wait a minute. Could it be that the only thing I have to change, final day, copium? Listen, man. How can your faith in me be so low after I managed to create bloom in Vulkan? I have created the most difficult task, almost, in Vulkan. Please. What do you think? You have let me down too many times? Yeah, tell me one time. Tell me. When did I let you down? Tell me. I'm listening. Darkest Dungeon. I knew you were gonna say that, but I finished Darkest Dungeon. I got to the last time my last character died, 16 characters dead, I lost the run. And then after that, I didn't want to play it again normally. However, I'm gonna play it again. That's true. You heard it. I will play it again, and I will play no torch. Until I will play no torch until I either lose or kill a certain boss. No torch. I don't think I can do the entire run no torch, but probably until a certain boss, yeah. What did you do now? Good morning. Nothing. Diablo. We also need to play Diablo, yeah. I'm gonna play Diablo with the mod. Bloom textures. So what I think, instead of GL nearest, we do GL linear. For bloom. What is this? Horizontal and yeah. Maybe that's already everything we need to do. Excuse me. Oh yeah, we need to restart this. Lecker, oh yeah. Hello Hazen, how's it going, man? Is your MMO done yet? You know that at some point you're gonna have to show us what you're doing, right? Today is a W day, right? Yeah, today is a W day. 100%. Maybe we already have one. We might already have one. Now we just need to change the draw call and we are done. Sorry about that, I'm back. Just needed to get some water. I was running out of water and didn't notice it. Oh, actually, yeah. Typical wife leaves half a fucking bottle somewhere standing around. And then the water is no longer good enough. I'm literally the bottle destroyer here. See, Cakes can't really make nice things. What do you mean? Huh? That screen looks super nice. Love the tower. Hey, cool. Yeah, that is made by collector of stuff. Exactly. Hey, Ned Bolter. Hello there. What do you mean typical wife? Yeah, who leaves like 10% of a bottle everywhere? Like, who does that? Yeah, him, not you. Cakes, bitch. Yeah, and I did the rest, you dummy. Okay, so now that we have the bloom here, I wonder how we did this. Probably with the bloom slider, right? Let me try something. Let's go on the shader. Fragment shader. And it needs to activate extensions because it's done. Aha, so this is how we can increase bloom. Look at this, guys. Looks kind of shit, but yeah. Why is this sound so weird? Like it comes from outside. Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Hello, Pikachu's glitch. Didn't see you there. Good morning. And Rux, my man. Cat arrive. Alright, I think what we have to do here is the following. We have to do another... It's not additively added. It's not additive yet, right? Oh, well, look at this. What up, homies? Let me try out something. Yeah, no, in the renderer. How about we go one size further down? What is half 135? 70? No. 67? Bro makes my PP go up. We still need to do additive blending when we make the draw call. So I wonder if I have to have a final... Should be fine, right? What's up, Cakes? People wave. Ava Ligo, long time no see, bro. Hello. Let's see what this looks like. Ah, this is making the bloom even better. This is what I want. This is almost perfect bloom. We can do a little bit more if we want to. So I have my... guys, the texture is repeating down. How do I not do that? This bloom effect right here is repeating down. How do I get rid of this? This is a texture filtering thing. It is a texture parameter. The fire looks like they're about to set on fire. Yeah, just wait, just wait. Looks quite cute, actually. Yeah, this is because it's normal blending. Once we do additive blending, it's just going to get brighter and look really good. We are very close to the last step of the bloom. I need to... texture parameter. Repeat. There we go. We don't want to repeat. What is this? Font atlas repeat. Actually, I don't want to repeat, but okay. We want to do GL clamp to border, right? We want to do that. We probably want to do that for the bloom texture as well. Let's see. To use the programming part. Very nice. Okay, so now that the textures are correct, right? We don't have the fire blending down here. We don't have this star blending to the left. We have the bloom set up correctly. We need to figure out a way to draw this additively. We need to do additive blending. So essentially, in the post-processing, I want to do like an if with a boolean here. I wonder if that works. Input, output, then textures. What is 4? Let me figure out opaque. What 4 is. 4 is... Oh no. Four is... outline atlas. Yeah. There we go. This is very important to keep track of, so that I don't forget this. Phone died, sad. Color plus bloom is additive. You already do additive blending? I don't think I do. Because it doesn't look bloomified, like additively. I have a feeling that... I could be wrong. But I have a feeling that it's not. Because the result I have in here, it looks much different. You see that? Look how bright this is. And then if I take a look at the stars in game... Let me just try it out, see if it works. I can't tell unless I try. This kinda does look bloomified, but this doesn't. On black background, it's basically the same. Yeah. Okay, now we no longer have bloom, and then in the renderer we just do 2 draw calls. Post-processing. But in order to do that, we wait, post-processing program ID, post-processing program ID. We need to get a uniform location. For that, we need with post-processing. Okay, GL uint. Do bloom ID. There we go. I love this, you know. I love OpenGL. It is so fucking good. It is the best fucking thing ever. Post-processing, and then we wanna draw. GL context. Program ID. GL. How do I do this again? GL. Fuck, I always forget this name. Uniform, yeah. One int. That is GL context. dot do bloom is false. Actually, do bloom ID and then false, or let's say 0. I guess we can do false. Here we go. We don't do bloom. And then the next one we do bloom. Basically 2 draw calls. It is not adding the bloom here. Use program. Do bloom false. Do bloom true. Unless the bloom ID is undefined. Okay. So that is a problem. Ah. There we go. That's why I wasn't looking at the correct program. Cool, glad to hear. It was a tough task, I have to say. And I still don't know how to do proper mods with Unreal Engine. I probably have to learn Unreal Engine for that first. So we'll probably do like a first time Unreal Engine stream soon. Okay. Hä? Why is it never true? Do I do 0 and 1? Am I doing something wrong here? Is the second draw call not doing it correctly? Hä? Always? Shut the fuck up. Hä? Now in my book, I first don't do bloom, and then I do bloom. Hä? Huh? So, hä? Wait. Hä? Hä? Uh-oh. What happened to penis? Hello there, Push. How's it going, man? Yeah, that makes absolutely no sense. Texture viewer. Color pass. It draws this. Input. Game texture, bloom texture. Mm-hmm. This is supposed to be it, I think. This is the second call, yeah. Pipeline state, let me see. Game texture, bloom texture, uniform, one variable. Value 1. So it says do bloom. I don't understand. Can someone explain this to me? It is 1. And it's 0 here. So it's correct. And I don't have any problems. There's a check mark here. So why is it not drawing me the bloom? Why is it not doing fragment color is bloom color? Times 10. Why? What am I doing wrong? Walk us through it, maybe you see the problem. I know why. I know why. It's dev testing. Dev testing is also unanimous with dev writing, or is that, or do I have to disable dev writing specifically here as well? Hä? What? May I ask if game development was your first entry to coding programming? No, it was... hello there, Phil. It was... And hello, ACDC on YouTube. It was web development. My first programming experience was related to web development, but the first thing I did in there was create like a small game, which is kind of funny actually. They told me to create a small 3D world in something with JavaScript. I forgot something JS. And that was quite fun. I had a lot of fun doing that. Tree.js, maybe. Yeah, OpenGL. Could be Tree.js. Lunch break is fine. Time to watch some good. Hello there, bro. I don't understand. Is it writing to dev and then... Wait, permission denied. It didn't link. It didn't link, which means it didn't build. Which means... Now it works. Okay, I was expecting this. I was actually expecting this. This is good. I hope. I hope. I hope. Please. Let's see how this looks. Hopefully this looks better now. Additive blending. Maybe real Supercus, right? And the bloom looks bad. But then I'm doing something differently. Looks good to me. Oh my god. Okay. I've been coding for about 3 months non-stop, and I'm honestly kind of scared to stop, since I feel like I would lose most of the knowledge I have gained as I've known. No, you won't lose the knowledge, but you will become rusty. The best thing to do is if you are feeling burnout, which might be, like, to me, what you're saying hints a little bit at that. Take it slower. Don't program as much. Don't do as much. It's like, let's say you run a marathon today and you want to do something tomorrow. How about you walk around the house? You've done something. It's not like you didn't do anything. Right? You can't go 100% all day, every day. That just doesn't work. Body doesn't work like that. Walk around the house, yeah, like your mama. Her fitness routine. It's because I'm writing black pixels to the fragment buffer. Okay, let's see, how do I do this in OpenGL? Post-processing fragment backup. Bloom color. Times bloom strength. And then I just add the bloom color here. That's how I do it, guys. I take all of the images and I add them together with different values. Why is someone at the door right now? Looks great to me. It looks like shit. So essentially I need to have all the 3 textures of bloom and then add them together and add them on top of the color. Okay. So we need to somehow add these bloom colors together. We have different weights. How do we do that? Well, I could do this. Post-processing. We could say bloom. Bloom texture 1, 2, and 3. And then we have this is 480. This is 240. And this is 120. God damn it, I'm not done yet. Fuck. And then X 270. X 135. X 67, I think it was. Okay. And then we have 5, 6, 7. And then bloom color is texture from bloom texture 1 plus 2, 3. Oops. 2 and 3.
Morgan gigabitch.
And we can multiply this by weights. Right? Right? Not white. And we have, let's say, 0.25, 0.5, and 0.70. Right? Now we have this. That is almost exactly the same that I had in my backup shader, right? Yeah. Actually, it was 7.5. And then all of this can be multiplied by some bloom strength. For now, that is 1, but we'll set this to bloom strength in a second. I also danced for 14 years and played hockey for 5. I'd say I know sport, never wandered around my house. It's an analogy. Holy shit, man. Oh my god. Why do I have to explain these things? My brain, man. I never asked you to explain. Just walk around the house, bitch. It's about recovering. But still doing something. It's really good. Okay, if do bloom. Then we can just do fragment color. We can just do this. I find running marathons really boring. Like you're literally just running straight. That is really boring. I know some people really like it, but it's not for me. Absolutely not. I don't know, Quinny wakes up at 3 AM every day and streams for 10 to 12 hours in a single streak. That's fucking wrong. You're literally lying, brother. That is not true. He has longer and shorter days. And on days where he's exhausted, he does React content in the very beginning for multiple hours. And people call him React Andy. Or let's say 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours into the stream and not gameplay yet. This is called burnout and he's relaxing. So you're absolutely wrong. The fact, however, is that he's streaming. That he's there. We don't want to do the bloom thing anymore. And we don't do this. We just draw that. Okay. Now we just need to get the images, which means we have to package them here. How do I activate a texture? Bind texture. And activate. There we go. Okay. So... activate bloom textures. So for int mip level 0, mip level is less than array size. Being self-aware is important. I am self-aware that my streaming time is on average much lower than most other streamers. That is true. I'm aware of that. I know that. After that Cherno video we watched here, I can't watch him anymore, so I unfollowed. What? Which Cherno video are we talking about? Chat, is Giga toxic this morning? No, they are experts. But in the end, you know, in the end. For my part, I'm just trying out different things to see how they work and relate to streaming, you know. I don't know myself. I have to see, you know. I mean, you just like its easy explanations on C++ concepts. I don't really know his programming. Like, listen, everyone can program however they want, right? Ah, we have vertical and horizontal texture IDs. Wait, I think the horizontal texture IDs carry the correct results. We bind those textures. And then we draw. Okay, I think we have everything. I did a research piece on a book and have a blank page, and now I've been trapped in illusion flipping the blank bit for 3 days. Send help. I did a research piece and a book. Illustration. And I've been trapped in an illustration filling the blank.
Am I so out of touch?
6 months, huh?
No.
Sturdy Pose just subscribed.
My man,
big
thank you.
Support for 6 years.
Thank you so much for the big support, man.
Huh? That went
what
fast.
A nice person.
Love you, man.
Love you too, bruh. Thank you. Guys, we have Bloom in the game. Looks kinda awful to me, but it works. I'm drawing to fill half a blank page because it was killing me, and now I've been stuck here for 3 days. I couldn't leave it. Blue Marvelous. It's okay, I guess. It's okay. It's okay. I think I want to go down one more step to make it even smoother. Which means we have to do 4. $60 and $32, I guess. Wait, no. 34. $60 and $34. That is Bloom Texture 4. Oh yeah, engine binding 8. I wonder if I should do an array there. I'm finished with my thesis. Took me 3 fucking years. Even elephant females aren't pregnant for that long. Hey, you wanna hear a story? My brother finished his thesis now as well. And I think it took him longer than you. So don't feel bad about it. Feel good about finishing something. You're a finisher. Now that is a little bit better, Bloom. I like this Bloom better because it's much more blurry. And we can control this a lot better. Yeah. See that? See that? Oops. See this? This is Bloom. We have Bloom in the game, guys. Wait, Cakes is the dumb brother. Explains a lot. What does the good brother 3? Shut the fuck up. What do you mean, dumb? You dumbo. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. I want to see if in-game the slash looks exactly the same. Oh, there we go. Look, we have one bloomified object here, I think. Oh no, wait, that is my own bloomified object, actually. I want to see. Oh! It works! We have bloom, guys. It's blooming around, yeah. This is awesome. Okay, we have finally done the bloom implementation. I have to go to my work again. See you later, maybe. Have a nice day, all. Hey, Phil, thank you very much for joining. Okay, guys. We have bloom in the game. Now that means we can finally try out some cool bloom effects. On the arrow rain, for example. You know? This guy, when he uses arrow rain, he can use bloom on it. Here. Which effect? The effect explosion? We can give it bloom. We just have to wait. Let's see. Look at this. You see how they glow now? When they impact? Looks much better, right? Huh? Isn't that great? Shit radius? Yeah, that was from yesterday. Duplicate member. Oh, I see. We have 2 bloom strengths already. Where's the bloom strength here? There we go. Blend equation? Sorry about that. This is what happens when you eat meat. Let me see. UI layer, rendering layer. I think none of it is causing issues now. Alright, now that we have the bloom strength in and the shit radius is gone. In the post-processing fragments shader, instead of do bloom, I want to have a uniform float bloom strength. And we use that bloom strength here. Which means we currently don't have bloom, but in the renderer, when we get this, oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, we get the uniform, call it bloom. I love OpenGL. I should have done this so much earlier. Bloom strength ID is Bloom strength. Post processing program ID. Bloom strength ID. What is that? GL uniform 1 float. Then we upload the GL context dot Bloom strength ID, the render data Bloom strength. There we go. And oops, and now we should have everything in the game that has to do with Bloom, and we finally also have the Bloom slider working. Okay, let's see. Bloom. Oh wow, look at this. You see that? Cool. We now have completed the Bloom adventure, guys. Wait a minute. I could make this... Nah. I found a lovely instrumental the other week. If you'd like to hear it and want a change of pace, yeah, sure, you can just song request it. But it has to be Spotify because I don't have... I don't have YouTube song requests. Okay. So I think I want to fix a small little bug that has been bothering me for a while. It shows me my character here, but it shows me the wind slash ability, which is this guy's ability. It always shows this guy, which is also wrong. It gets the wrong data on right click here. It gets the data from this guy. A king of mansplain today? Am I? Maybe I am. Okay. So in order to fix this, we have to find the right click in the game. Key right mouse. Game state selected hero prefab. Wait, what is this? For every hero ID. What is this? Scrolling hero list. If the button is hot. Okay, so this works. Deallocate with right click, yeah. Right click, select a tree node. Yeah. How do I log into Spotify, Cakez? It's okay, woman. Right click, point and rect, node data. Okay, so this is all still... Okay, manage targeted entity. If we have a selected hero. No, wait, still not it, man. Holy. Okay. Select hero with the left mouse. If we are in preparation or in running and the UI is not hot, we click the left mouse or the right mouse, and we are currently not in skill activation. Yeah. We get the hovered hero. And the hovered enemy. If we click the left mouse, we set the hovered hero. If we click the right mouse, then we have a hovered hero. Ah, wait. Selected prefab ID or something. Game state. Selected hero prefab, right? Is that it? Yeah. Which is hovered hero type. Hero type ID. There we go. I think that's the fix. There's no such thing as mansplaining, it's just teaching an idiot what they should already know. It works! Awesome. Now, why is this one showing all the time? That's definitely wrong. Strike 2. It's fucking cold here. It's fucking cold! Hello there, back. Okay, guys. Lol, I've done all the programming already that I wanted to do. I thought it would take longer, but I guess I'm just too good at programming. Rate my food? Yeah, I guess we'll rate food now. Let's see. Really? I have to do it in the app? Oh my god. Holy shit. Now, like, I don't like ketchup. Actually, no, I don't like ketchup and mayonnaise together. I prefer ketchup, but wow. Damn. Holy shit. Is that taken with your phone? Holy moly. That is crazy. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Actually, 10 out of 10. 100%. Jackie Codes, Cakez, Godot arc ending. Ah, shut the fuck up. I saw this yesterday. Very toxic. Actually, really toxic. Yeah. Toxic streamer.
Godot water was too hot for Cakez. Oh, really?
No, it was not too hot. It was not too hot. I could have done it. I chose not to. Because the UI is dog shit. That's a different story, okay? Need to understand that I chose not to do it, okay? That is different.
He abandoned Godot after getting mad. Sounds like you gotta get good.
Yeah, sure, right? Bro.
High five.
No, that's really toxic. Yeah, we'll never rate her again.
Anyways.
Fucking bitch.
Beegs right now. Sorry, Cakez right now. Oh, Godot was so hard. I need to go back.
Ah, shut the fuck up. Okay, I'm not watching this. This is literally toxic. Yeah, absolutely toxic. Where's the reaction thing here on this? Typical Aizen posting this, right? There we go. Downvote and shit. That's what it is, bro. Absolutely doggo. But your food was great, real Supoku. Really nice. 10 out of 10. Thank you. Are you using Unreal Engine? Now, my game might look good, but no. It's my own game engine. Actually got under your skin. She was joking. Yeah, me too. It's called sarcasm, Mr. Aizen. Like, when you have to explain your jokes, like, they don't hit as much. You gotta learn up, bro. Need to learn up. Sarcasm? Yeah. But that was my joke. Her action, she could take you in a fight. What does that have to do with anything? I don't fight women. That's unfair. What's the name? Oh, the name of my engine. Schnitzel engine or something. I don't know. Schnitzel Motor? Oh, yeah. It's based on... No, it's based on this engine right here. In case you're wondering, I've made a YouTube tutorial series about my engine. That's the engine that I'm using. This one is a little bit more advanced. Because now we have Bloom in the game. Which we didn't have before. Let's add some stuff in the to it that actually has Bloom. What about these two lights? They have absolutely no intensity. Make this a bit brighter. This one as well. There we go. Looking better. Then the ambient can go down a bit. Something like this looks much better, hmm? Do we still have the Firefly? We do. Just gotta click on it, man. Now it looks more like it's evening, right? I don't like that. This makes it very vibrant. I like that more. Yeah. Hey, Prodigy, how's it going, man? Long time no see, bro. Welcome. That's awesome. I'm a Unity game dev. I will definitely check out yours. Hey, man. Good luck, bro. It's not easy. You know, it goes a lot of coding into C++, you know. And according to the views, not everyone wants to do that, you know. So be prepared. There's a lot of coding involved with this. We don't have much UI to go on. Evening is better, fitting for the meal. Very busy cooking. Women fight all the time. My money is on her though. I don't fight women. It's unfair. Okay. Now, since we are done, I would like to watch something.